Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel again. Yeah, this is Jumoke, and as you already know, this is my daughter Michelle. So you already know what we do on here: weekly hairstyle, lifestyle, and also beauty, sometimes makeup and all of that. So today our hairstyle for this week is periwinkle. When she got back from school on Friday and she's like, mommy, extra for next week is periwinkle. I'm like, periwinkle nikoko, you will still see snail, you know. I was like, which one is periwinkle? But finally I eventually got the hairstyle, and here we are trying to make the hair. So in this video now, that particular wool I'm using is Brazilian wool. I've already cut it to the length I'll be using. I think the length I want to use is I'll be using rather is 16 inches. So here I'm parting the hair. This particular parting of the hair is it's called pineapple. Yeah, pineapple. So that's the pattern I'll be using for the hair. So that's the wool. Then I'm using 10 strands, then minus 2. That makes it 8. As I was making the hair, I started reducing the wool because I don't want it to be too fat. Yes, I don't want it to be too fat so she doesn't have issue with the hair. And I reduced the length as well because I realized that the length of the ones I made first, they're too long, and my god, I can't stand for too long, I beg, you know. So I had to just do it my way. So what we're doing now is I'll braid the hair to where our hair length is. Then I'll use the 2 strands to thread the hair all the way down to the finished length of the wool. So that's what I am doing now. The hair has 2 methods. You're gonna be threading the hair straight down. You tie, like, okay, you knot it. Then after you're done with everything, then the second method is where the periwinkle comes in. You roll it. That's where it comes in. I think it's also called corkscrew. I don't know. But the truth is, I shall know I've done periwinkle. That's for me. So that's what you can see that now the threading has to be to the last length, like the finished length, whichever one. I think at this point I'm going to stop this my voiceover. It's really giving me twist tongue, a bit tongue twister or whatever, please. So here, if you're really interested in this video, you can watch to the end and let me know your view, or let me know what you think about the hairstyle, if you're gonna be trying the hairstyle on your baby girl or not. Then I'm not gripping the hair so tight. I'm saying this now because the last threading I made a video of it, this particular one, everybody was like, okay, let me say some people were like, that hair is too tight, this one is not tight, that one is not actually tight. The thing is, look at the scalp is very neat, and I use moisturizer, leave-in moisturizer on that hair and everything. So when you are working with the hair, it's gonna be neat. Look at this one. I am using what's that edge control on this hair. I use edge control, and before I use edge control, I've already applied shea butter to the hair. Yes, so that's what I'm working with. That makes the hair look so neat. That's exactly, our hair is not a stubborn, the texture of our hair is not that stubborn like that, like it's a very fine hair. So that's what we're doing today, guys. I'll stop here. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like. Please always give my video a like, because that's what is going to give me that, you know, I've been saying that in all of my videos. Give my videos a thumbs up, guys, and don't forget to share it to people who are interested in the video, and as well leave a comment for me. Let me know how I'm doing in the comment. Let me know what I have to do right or what I'm not doing well, you know. So just leave a comment. It's a feedback for me to know where I need to adjust when making my videos. So thank you so much. I'll leave you guys to continue watching.
No. Listen, y'all. These kids want to act up in school, want to go to school and embarrass you, want to make like they got no home training. So I told my son, don't go to school embarrass me no more. I take care of you, son. I give you anything you want. I discipline you. But you're gonna embarrass me like this? No, so now I'm gonna cut his hair, send him to school with a bald head. Don't embarrass me. I told him, don't embarrass me. No. I won't ever my life ever humiliate my own DNA on a social media network. I seen a lot of parents do that, and it actually made me cry. Humiliation can cause suicide and depression. Come on, I'm 26 and I know better than that. Come on, y'all. I do not respect that. Everybody have their own opinion. The people that might get mad with this video is the people that probably already embarrassed their child. You can discipline your child in their room. Take something away from them. If they act up, well, my sons, if they act up, I'm like, son, you can't play the game today. They act up again, I'm gonna say, son, you gonna read a book all day today. You can't watch TV. That's it. Up. I love you too. I won't cut your hair, son. Now go play. Like, we living in a society now where people want to record how they discipline their child. Since when? What goes on in home should stay in home. And I cannot believe y'all, I'm 26 and all y'all 35 plus probably, the videos I done seen. And it's unbelievable. It's heartbreaking. But God bless y'all though. Y'all have a nice day.